Hey everyone, this is Calvin, and welcome to the HackFS 2024 workshop titled How to Build On-Chain AI Agents on Galadriel. Joining us today is Carl, who will be taking us through this session. And with that, I'll pass it over to Carl to get the workshop started.
Thank you so much. My name is Carl. I'm really glad to be part of HackFS, and in general the ETH Global developer ecosystem, and represent Collateral. I'm the head of growth here at Collateral, but I love working with developers, and I am originally a developer myself. So I'm now transitioned more into helping the army of Web3 developers to onboard into building on-chain AI. And I have prepared a few slides for you today and a workshop on how to build on-chain AI agents with Galadriel. And before we start, if anything, my goal today will be to inspire you to experiment and build decentralized AI applications on-chain, as we see this being the next frontier in tech. And I'm really proud to be here to show you how this can be done with Galadriel. So without further ado, Galadriel is the first layer 1 blockchain for AI. And what this means is we enable developers to essentially build decentralized and on-chain AI applications and agents through smart contracts. So just the same way as you can build on any EVM chain or ETH itself, any general purpose decentralized applications, we want to do the same or enable the same for developers to do. And all of this is enabled by our latest flagship product, which we have called TML. And TML is kind of the backbone that enables getting these state-of-the-art AI models, whether they're open source or closed source, getting the inference of these AI models on chain in a low latency, low cost, and verifiable manner. We have built this really easy to use playground for everyone to go and, before they start building, actually try it out themselves, use it themselves. Here you can see that it's fully open source. You can also go and read the code. You can try it out here by just putting in your prompt and hitting generate. It will prompt you with the MetaMask. I don't know if you can actually see this right now, but if you can, then I need to confirm an on-chain transaction for it to work. And in the background, what is happening is explained here. And before we start building, I will actually just quickly go through what is happening actually in the background. How do we get the AI inference on chain? So similar to this page here, we have deployed an AI contract on chain. So let it be our the app. Oh, you could already see the response. We'll get to that. To build a contract first for it, which we will do later. And the contract that we'll deploy and build needs to interact with an AI Oracle contract. Essentially a two-part system. One part of the Oracle lives on-chain, and the other part is off-chain, which lives inside the TM. When it starts up, and we basically push this attestation on-chain to make the whole system verifiable. We also have the Tor but I'm not going to show this here in this workshop. So just to know that it's also open source, and we have the tutorials in our GitHub. Tell the AI Oracle that we want to use GPT-4 and what is the prompt or the text input that we want to send to this AI model. Now this Oracle is an open source model running directly in the trusted execution environment, or it does an API call to a closed, contract, which in turn then returns the inference callback result to our application contract. Playground, you can obviously go and use Collateral Explorer to actually see what happened under the hood. And now let's see it all in. Doing like a tutorial on how to build a really how to say, like on-chain agent, which is a little bit more groundwork from where you can kind of take what we do here, and with a few tweaks, you can make this simple an agent. But before we get there, I think it's better if we start from the simple stuff. Already, it's also open source. You can see if you go to our if you go thing